Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Maya. Today I am going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. I've been seeing everyone do it and I've been, to tell you the truth, I've just been a little scared to do it. For a good reason. As we all can see, we don't do a full face of makeup in 5 minutes. It's almost impossible, but I'm gonna try it today. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set my phone to 5 minutes and we're gonna see. What makes me the most nervous is my brows. Like, I have no brows. That usually takes me 5 minutes itself. So I started to cheat, but I'm not gonna cheat. I'm not gonna cheat. Y'all ready? I'm not ready. Okay. Oh, I don't wanna press this button. I don't wanna press the button. Okay. Oh, I'm so nervous. We're gonna go 5 minutes and go. Oh God. Oh, this is not good. I already feel it. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. This is already taking way too long. Okay. Enough. Ah! Amira, don't laugh at me. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, wait, hold on. Amira, it's not funny. Okay, wait. Okay, come on, concealer. Okay, I'm so nervous. I don't even want to look at the clock. I don't want to look. I hope I'm even recording. Am I recording? Okay, I'm recording. That will be a disaster. Okay, Maya, you do not have time for this. So just a little bit underneath. And, oh my goodness, this is not good. Okay, foundation. Okay. Oh, with the beauty blender. Okay. Oh. I got 3 minutes left. Okay, Lord. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me put my glue on my lashes. Okay. Put those on last minute. This is not good. Okay, wait. Okay. We're just gonna do a little gold. Okay. How much time? Ah! I got 2 minutes left. Okay. A little bit of liner. Oh my goodness. Oh, my liner. Okay. Oh, I wanted my lashes on before this. Okay. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to look. Oh my gosh.
1 more minute.
Amira, I'm gonna need to stop laughing at me. This is crazy. Okay, let me have this ready. Set my face. And come here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. Bronzer. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got a minute. Okay, lashes. Oh my gosh, I don't have highlighter. Oh my goodness, I don't have my highlighter. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, it's coming off, Lord. Oh, this is a disaster. Oh, this didn't work. This didn't work at all. Oh, that's not staying. Okay. Okay, let's do lips. No, we'll have time for highlighter today.
How many more seconds do you want?
Okay. All right. Oh, I didn't touch on my nose. Oh my goodness. Where is my highlighter, bruh? All right, so we are out of time and I look a mess. Okay, phone, I know it's over. Dang, all right. Okay, that didn't turn out too well. Y'all wanna see a close up of this foolishness here? Yeah, that was a disaster. I ended up having to use the same eyeshadow for my highlight. I forgot to put my highlighter down, so fail probably number 55 of this process. My brows, I didn't get to highlight them above. This one is doing something weird. Oh, you also can see my fingerprint right here. Y'all see that? My lashes are coming off. Yeah, fail. All right, guys, so thank you for watching this video and watching how disastrous this was for me. I appreciate it. And if you like this video, or if you didn't and you want to check out any of my other videos, you can find it here, right there. And you'll see some more at the end. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.